Hello again, dotters and stinkers. This is not the unboxing celebration that I was planning, but we'll just get this one out of the road now, just because it's a new product. Alright, without further ado, I'll do it professionally. So, what is it with the title? Why am I saying human garbage? I'll tell you why as I'm opening. So this is the first product. It's just a white box. So why am I doing this? Well, your old Uncle Poodot and Only Stink Pants, we got robbed not that long ago. And yes, victims of crime. So anyone that thinks it's okay to go and steal things from other people, you're nothing more than human garbage. Seriously, get help, get a job, get on with your life. Don't steal from people. So this is USB, it looks like, with just an adapter. There's not much to that one. Alright, so now for the big unveiling. Now, do I look rich to you? Do they look like rich people's sleeves? No. What you did was wrong. Okay. I'm sorry for the tone of the video. Normally we try and keep it light and happy, but in this case, not so happy. Alright, so we've got a box here, unopened as you can see. Alright, let's open this sucker. So, what can I say about these people? What makes you think you have the right to break into someone else's property and steal their stuff? Seriously, what kind of human being are you? I know that crime is a part of living, but it doesn't have to be that way. Alright, so as a first step, we've had to go and get this thing. This will not be the only security that we will have, but at least it's a start. I'm sorry all the professional unboxers out there. I'm struggling to get this thing open. Come on. Wow. That really is a full-on box. Okay. Almost there. So what have we got here? Oh, it's quite a few things. We'll get to that in a moment. Let's clear up a little bit of this mess. Chuck that over there. Alright, so that looks like the cable that's for that thing. Oh, we've got another plug. A bit more than one. And that looks like a mount. Now, I am a techno-tard, so I'm not exactly knowledgeable with this sort of thing. There's a few screws in there. Nothing else in that box. Put that away. Don't need that. And this would be the last thing. Okay. Oh, look at that. It sits up. That's pretty cool. Okay, so maybe someone that's a little bit more expert in technology can tell us more about this in the comments. But basically that's it. The start of the home security. It won't be the end of it. We'll have that set up, and this is going to stream 24/7, so that's good. Alright, so that's basically it. We're not going to mention any of the other security. I really have nothing more to say. Apologies for the tone of the video. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing nonetheless. I don't understand why people enjoy watching other people open stuff, but there you go, we thought we'd do that. Now we'll post another video shortly, just to make it a little bit lighter, and it was actually the one that I intended to do. So do hope you enjoyed this video. The review is it's pretty good, whatever it is, and that's basically it. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a lovely day. Take care, guys. Alright, that's it. Stink Pants, release the hounds.